Hello. Yeah. Hello. Ha, 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 ha. How are you all doing? Can you all come in? Hey, oh, there you go. Yeah, come in. Oh, join me. If you don't join me, I know you watch it later. Whatever. But if you join me, perfect. If you don't join me, watch it later. And I know. Are you hearing me? How are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing great. I am doing great. Off. I'm off, so I need to do program. Hi. Yes, I am doing great. How are you all doing? Hope everyone is doing fine. God bless you all. Chukwu okike gozie onye ọbụla. Ndewo, well done. Come and join me, please. Yeah, I'll give you some fuel. And some people say they don't get my notification any longer. I don't know why. Why are they not getting notification from me? I have no clue. Some people say they don't get notification from me. I just don't know why they are not getting it. But well, I will continue. We can't give up. We can't give up. We're gonna do what we're supposed to be doing, you know. Coming out online. So many people don't want me to come to come out online. They're not gonna happen. Hey! I'm gonna come out online, come out and laugh, come out and talk, come out and educate, come out and do whatever I have to do. Mm-hmm. Well, who is that person calling me now? I'm not gonna answer that call. I'm now on program. Please, you can call me later. Don't mind. Call me later. I am not going to answer because I'm doing program right away. So I will not answer you. Sorry. So how are you all doing? I'm doing great. Thank you. Those in YouTube, my YouTube channel is there. Never give up as well. And it's also iffy on we go there. You can join me. Those that would like to watch through YouTube, join me. And those that would like to watch through Facebook, join me. Greeting to you all. Hope you are all doing good. Perfect. So I am just here because I want to just laugh today and then end this program. Happy New Igbo New Year. No, I made a mistake. What did I put? Happy Igbo New Year. Happy Igbo New Year to you all. Happy Igbo New Year. They will say, which one is the Happy Igbo New Year? Yes, we have to recognize our own. You understand? Happy Igbo New Year to you all. We must embrace our own. We must embrace our own. Oh, we cannot embrace other calendars and rejected our own. We cannot embrace other ones that in the Rome and the Europe. But we must embrace our own. This our own. We have to embrace it. We cannot hate ourselves. Even when the world hate us, we cannot hate ourselves. Anybody that hated him or herself, that person has a problem. We, in the Igbo, even if the world, they hated us, we cannot hate ourselves. So happy New Year to you all, my people, my Igbo people. I love you all. I love you all. Happy New Year to you. Umu Chineke, Umu Chukwu Okike, Umu Enigwe, Umu Chukwu furu n'anya. Even when they are trying everything to suppress us, to make us not to shine, then we will shine. Nanu, we will rise and we will shine. Ogechukwu ka mma. A day is coming when these people will be free people. Happy New Year to you, my Igbo people. With love, with love. I love you all. I love you all with all my heart. I love you all. Happy New Year to my people. We have to celebrate our own calendar. We have to celebrate our own Igbo calendar. We cannot reject ourselves. We can never. They have brought so many things to us. We accepted it, but no, we don't. We deny ourselves our own. It's not right. It's not right at all. We have to celebrate ourselves. We have to celebrate our New Year. So according to the people that say that, they say that today is our Igbo New Year. That we have already celebrated in Kendo Chao. That's that one they gave us. We said Happy New Year January. But the proper time for us, Ndi Igbo, is today. Happy New Year to you all. I'm greeting you all. ndị Chukwu fụrụ n'anya, ụmụ Chukwu okike, ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo, they are trying and trying and trying to hate us, trying to make us not to shine, everything they are trying. But upon all the things they are still doing, we are still shining, we are still standing. We are still standing. We are still victory sure for our people. Victory sure. So I'm greeting you all today, and I'm saying, if you have not heard about it, research it. I saw them talking about it, and I now went and I said, what is this all about? This is my first time of hearing it. It's just not knowledge is power. If you don't know, you don't know. Knowledge is power. And we have to educate. We have to share it. Facebook, thank God there is social media, that we have to let the world know that today is also our Igbo New Year. Ndị Igbo New Year. Ka esi eme ya mgbe gboo ka esi eme ya that time. You gotta go. Ka esi eme ya mgbe gboo. Not that ka ha gụchara wee sị not Happy New Year ndị Igbo dị ya. So why can't we celebrate it? Why can't you share it? Why can't you be proud of who you are? Why can't you be proud of sharing your own New Year? It is amazing. We cannot reject our own. We cannot reject ourselves. We cannot say we are nobody. We arise. We know who we are. Ụmụ Chukwu okike. Ndị Chukwu goziri agozi. Ndị Chukwu fụrụ n'anya. Happy New Year to you all. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma Orie Afọ Nkwọ Eke. Ọ ga-adịrị akwa Orie Afọ Nkwọ Eke. Yes, ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma maka ndị ahụ ekwu. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma. Our ancestors are with us. Chukwu okike kere ụwa nọnyere anyị. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma. Anyị ga-enwe mmeri. Ọ dịghị ọrụ unu izi. Ihe unu na-aga tru n'aka ndị iro, n'aka ndị kpụrụ na asị. Mana Chineke nọnyekwara anyị. Anyị nakwa shine. Anyị bụkwa envy nyere others. We are envy. People envy us a lot because we are blessed people. We are blessed. Blessed. See yourself as blessed. For onwe gị as a blessed person. Because ị bụ nwafọ Igbo. Nwafọ Igbo. I love my people. I so much love them. Even though we are fighting and quarreling, that doesn't matter. I know why, but I love my people. I wish I have enough to give my people. I will. I wish I have enough to bless my people. I will. I so much love them. I love you all. So Happy New Year to you all. We have to remember who we are. We have to celebrate ourselves. We have to celebrate who we are. We have to before we have who is this person that is ringing me? Why? I am on program. I will call you back later. Hold on. Hey, how am I going to? I can't pause this. I don't know where to pause. I can't answer this call. What is going on? I'm coming. Hello? Hello? Good evening. Are they call? Are they live? Give them. Yes. Okay, then when I finish, no problem. Bye. So that is the thing. Ụmụ Igbo, kenebe Chineke kere unu. Bee na ekpere si na ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma n'ụbọchị nke taata. Na ọ ga-adị ihe ọbụla unu declare that God will answer us. Declare and believe that it shall be well. Na ofu ụbọchị anyị ga akwa mgbochi ga-etiwa ụmụ Igbo ga-enwere onwe ha. Ofu ụbọchị ihe Chineke dere na ọ ga-eme. No matter whatever, it shall come to pass. Happy New Year, my people. I love you all. So I love you all. Some of you are saying, is she bringing information minister? I am information minister. Is she coming with information? Already? The one I have already, they want to kill themselves and not me. The information that I've been dishing out, they want to kill themselves. They are saying that they want to kill themselves, calling themselves Sabo, not me. Calling themselves all manner of names. These are people, Like me and them, I feed them. I fit them well. They think me at the board, and they give for where they never see tough person like me. Very tough woman. I don't care. I don't care if they bombard me and they bombard them back. Bombard me, bombard you back, bombard to bombard. Not going back. They are not happy that I'm still online. They want me to go inside. Who are you? You don't tell madam, you don't tell if you want me to go inside. What be care? Hey! Ada Igbo. Mm. If they then give names, sef, make they give people like me, no be people where they I don't even know where they carry some names. They give some people where ndị nwụrụ anwụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ na-aga ije ndị na-esi isi ịghọtago ewe were afa wee na-enye ha ụdị afa ha esutu ha osutu ha ndị otu ka anyị ndị nwere egwu Chineke ndị ma Chukwu ha ka ekwesịrị na-abụ ezigbo afọ ọ bụghị afa ndị like so forget I don't carry information come I carry myself come to wish my people happy new year. That is how it's supposed to be. So what happened? How come this eclipse of the sun, solar eclipse, is not happening in Ireland? What have we done wrong? How come this eclipse of the sun is not happening here? What is going on? Hey, so we too, we are not going to be raptured now. This, I thought they say some of them. I saw some posts. Some people were one man of one all those scammers. One of them, we are saying that today is going to be a rapture. So we are still here. We are not be raptured because why now? Why have we not been raptured? This eclipse of the sun is happening in other countries. So it has not happened in Ireland. I just want to ask you guys, whether you guys have been raptured, because me, I'm still here. I have not been raptured because this eclipse, solar eclipse, has not happened here. It's not happening in Ireland. I'm not seeing it. Maybe it will happen tomorrow. It's not here. They said it has already happened in other country, America, South America, which other places they are witnessing it, but we are not witnessing it here. We're not witnessing it here. Hey, God have mercy on us. I hope the rapture have not taken place. I hope the rapture has not taken place, and if you're because they will tell you you that is speaking against the Christian and in the Jesus and in that this rapture you will not be raptured. And they said the rapture will take place today. Some of them believe that the rapture will take place today. So we in Ireland, are we not going to be raptured? I'm asking question. Are we not going to be raptured today? Are we? And then left us behind. We have been left behind. Hey, take a look at let me pause this thing so that you guys can follow me laugh, because some things I like. I just want to laugh. You see this one? Somebody they posted and said today, today 8 rapture is going to take place. Rapture is going to take place. So we have not been raptured now. We are still here because this eclipse of the sun did not happen in Ireland. That means we are not going to be raptured. We are here. Hey, God have mercy. So that's not why I'm here. I just want to laugh because of this one. It's good to laugh, even when some people don't want to laugh. It's good to laugh. It's good to smile. It's good to be happy. We don't want to because this world, why not? The natural car. People that they don't want you to be alive. I don't even know what to do to them. If they ask you what did you do to them, they can't even say. All they know is because you are speaking against whosoever. So for that, you have become an enemy. Hey, my people, ndị Igbo, unu esika o, unu siri ike. If somebody don't know you guys, if somebody don't wear tough skin, oga depressed. If somebody is not tough in spirit and physical, the person will be depressed. But I said, you guys, hey. Some of them is just calling me. If you see the kind of things that I say there, you just laugh and laugh. Sometimes I sit down and laugh at them and say, hey, which kind of people be this one? Which kind of people be this one? What did I even do to these people? They will call you all manner of names. They will say all things. Then the people that is even telling them lies and lying to them, they are praising. They are praising. Imagine. So why not? So I'm just saying that God will help us. You understand? So as our happy Igbo New Year, it's a year that God Almighty will bring us blessing, will bring us open doors, will bring us all that we ask and all that we seek for. He will help our leader, Mazin Nandekano, that this year as we enter, may he come out, may he be free, may he be released, may every power that is holding him, May this year that is Igbo New Year, our own Igbo calendar. Obon nke ndị ọcha wetara anyị, ihe niile ha wetara anyị bụ fake. Ihe niile ha wetara anyị fake. Ihe niile ha wetara anyị fake. We are not rejecting it. I say na ya chosen, I chọrọ nke anyị. We want our own. And so shall it be. Our own is good. Our own is not evil. Even if there is the one that we don't like, we take them away. That is how everything, that's how community, that's how people develop, how people grow, how people, there are so many things that other country did wrong, other culture, other people did wrong. They remove it. That is how it's supposed to be. So may Chineke kere ụwa, Obinigwe, may he bring blessing and open doors and prosperity and everything. And this bondage that we are in the hands of evil Nigeria. But this year that is Igbo calendar, may Chukwu Okike kere ụwa release us as nwada Igbo. Abụkwa nwada ezigbo nwada Igbo. Let me tell you all. No bụkwa the naza afa amahebe ha si ba rotten people that answer rotten name that they don't deserve. Nwada Igbo ezigbo ya ka mbụ. You gotta go. Ezigbo ya ka mbụ furu ndị Igbo n'anya. Fugi ya. May Chukwu Okike kere ụwa bring favor to us and blessings and open doors. And may he, everything that we desire and ask for this year, as according to our own calendar, because we have to love ourselves. We have to love ourselves. That means you have to you have to love yourself. Cherish who you are. Appreciate yourself. Yeah. So as we are celebrating this Happy New Igbo Year, which I know some of you don't know about it. Maybe you don't know, you haven't heard about it. That's why I call myself Information Minister. I will bring you information. Information Minister will bring information. Information that you need to know. So that you know what is happening. As I'm bringing information about our people, about who we are, about who we are, that we need to appreciate our own calendar. We need to appreciate our own. Ndi China na-eme ya. Ndi China but oga na say Happy New Year. Ha na Happy New Year because of their own. They follow their own. Why do we not do our own thing? That time in the China they won't do it. In the Russia they will not follow that. They say they have their own. So our own now was destroyed. And you have to return. We say no. If they say that this is our own Happy New Igbo New Year, we have to embrace it. We have to share it and let the world know that we are waking up, and let the world know that they are not going to, continue to lie to us. That they are not going to continue to tell us lies. Enough. That it's time for us to open our eyes and see the truth and know the truth. If we get, it is time for us to open our eyes, see the truth and know the truth. No more them deceiving us with all these things that are bringing to us. No. Enough, or to go enough. We are researching, we are seeing truth, we are knowing the truth. Even them too, they are saying so many of them are also coming up with the truth. So why can't we appreciate who we are? We have to appreciate ourselves. Everything about us is beautiful. Everything about Ndi Igbo is beautiful. Forget about what they are telling us, that when they don't know one, they won't ident. When the honey never ndị ya wetara ọhawa na nke ha ọkamma mba, they also have their own issue. They also have their own Chineke adịghị happy. So we will appreciate our own calendar, as Igbo calendar says today is our Happy New Year. We will appreciate it. We will. It is our new year, and we thank God. We thank Chukwu Okike kere ụwa, Obinigwe. We thank Elohim. We thank Chineke for giving us life, for sustaining us, for keeping our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alive. For Ndi Igbo as themselves, we thank God, because Ndi Igbo Kahachoro, they want to eliminate, they want to alienate us. They don't want us to be in existence. In any way. So it's not good for us to hate ourselves or the home. At all. I got phone wine nanya. Because has had to write too much. A lie is more effective when you are talking to ignorant. We are people, we have been ignorant for years, you know. So these lies they're saying to us has been so effective, and we're embracing all these lies. A lie is more effective when you are talking to ignorant fools that lack knowledge or awareness. Those who lack knowledge or awareness, when the lies, all the lies we are told, we said, oh, there is the truth. No, but now we are doing the research, we are opening our eyes, we are seeing the truth, and we are saying, no, 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 we can't take this, we can't accept this. No, it's not supposed to be so. We are waking up. We are going to be, we are coming out from this bondage that we have been for years. We are coming out of it. So happy New Year to my people. You have to wish your own Igbo people happy New Year. It is our own. We have to appreciate who we are. We have to appreciate ourselves. We have to appreciate that God Almighty is with us. Only Him knows why everything that is happening to us is happening. But I believe it, that at the right time, at the appointed time, our people will be a free people. How it will happen? It will be a miracle. It will be a miracle. It will be like, did this really happen? Nobody will take the glory that belongs to God. Nobody is going to take the glory. We try our best. We are trying our best to do it on our own way. Is our own way better? No. All the lies that we are in it, God is not even happy about it. But at His own, I don't know how He's going to free Igbo, but I believe He will do it. So I love my people. I love you. If I have everything in this world, I can give my people. I love them. I'm telling you so much. Appreciate my people. I love them. So that's why I joined to fight for freedom because I want my people to be free, because I love them to be free. They're suffering. They have everything that they have, the enemy took it away from them, and they are suffering, and we are suffering. So I decided to say, okay, I was hungry about it, to fight for freedom, to let my people go. But you see the way it turned out. I was not a happy person because I have a spirit in me. Everybody's not the same like me. You can stay. Once I see something it's not right, it put me off. It put me off. But that does not mean that I'm still not praying for freedom. That does not mean that I'm still not doing. What is making that noise? Oh my God, the wind is terrible here. That does not mean that I'm still not doing what I'm supposed to do for freedom to come. No, I still do what I'm supposed to do. In a little way I can, I will still do it. So thank you so much, my people. I'm just coming to say to you all that I love you, that Chukwokike love you all, that we shall overcome. We shall overcome this giant that is on our way. Yeah, for our people, ndị Igbo, ụmụ Chukwu fụrụ n'anya. Ndị Igbo ndị ọma. Hey, ndị Igbo ndị ọma Chukwu fụrụ n'anya. They know who we are. I love that brother. I can play that voice here for you to. Yeah, I saw that brother. I think, should I play it? That guy is a fire. He talks. That guy is fire. I love what he said. Let me play it, because this is what they did to us. But we are going to, everything will come out better. This is what they did to us. They didn't want our freedom. They didn't want us. They thought we are spiritual people. I cannot die for the idol and the Roman and the Babylon. I can have I can have that is Babylonian idol, idolatry, everything, all this Roman thing they brought. We know God. We know God more than them. But they brought this to us. We convince us with lies, which I said here. They convince us with lies that all lies more that their own is more better than ours. Instead of us to say, okay, which one do you have? Give us the good one. Take those ones, go. That's what we should have done, as other countries did, as other like China and Japan. Japan, they've refused to let them do what they did to us. China, they refused. They said, because they see that we are blessed people. They see how blessed we are. Everything in our land, we have everything. We have so many things, so many resources in our land. We are blessed people. So they gave us what they did. Convince us. Tell them that their own is evil and their own is that then their own is good, is much better. Tell them that what that use conny lie, conny, enter them, and then they will reject everything about them, and they will accept everything about us. That's what they did to us. Eh? Yeah. The more you look, the more you see, the lesser you look. That's what they did to us. Tell them that they are nobody. Tell them, give them whatever. Lie, use sweet lie. There's a lie that is sweet. Use that sweet lie to catch them and grab them. And then once you have them, they will be under us. We control them. We control their mind. They will no longer think as people anymore. It's whatever we say to them, that's what they will accept. It's whatever we sell to them, they will take it. Because by then they have no mind of their own. We have captured their mind. That is what they did to us. The more you look, the more you see, the more you look, the lesser you see, isn't it? That's how did they even say that? So they did all this to us, and then we become what? What are we? Guinea Canyable. They trample on us. Today I went to a place where I did my nail. She's from Latvia. She was doing my nail. I was discussing with her things, I was always discuss things with her. So I was showing her, all this nonsense our people are doing online regarding this miracle and the way they are doing people. She was saying, "Are our people stupid?" I'm telling you, Yagoku. She said, "Are these people normal? Are we normal?" Because that's what Oyibo is seeing us, most of them. And they feel sorry for us. They feel sorry. So she was saying that. I said, "Are you people really normal? Is these people in these churches, are they human beings?" That's what she was saying. I said, "Yes, they are." I said, "Then how can they stay in a place like this and they're carrying them up and hitting them on the ground and pushing them and doing all manner of things as if they are not human?" I said, "Well, this is what Africa has become." She was like, "Oh God, this is wrong." This is somebody from Latvia. I said to her, I said, "Does it mean this doesn't happen much?" She said, it still happens, but not that is like their own is not the way we are doing this kind of fake things. But the church is there for Lutheran, isn't it? Yeah. The way they will gather money from the village and go give the top people. The villagers will gather money and go give. See, everything about it's money, money, money. So she was so sad with us. She said, "This is really bad." I played this our brother here. Where is it now? Do I have it here? I think I have it. I didn't want to pass this program to pass 30 minutes. Where is it? So, my people, we need to wake up. We need to tell ourselves the truth. We need to. If not, we are going.
Certain handwriting are so.
We need to. We can't even remember that today is our our own Igbo calendar. But during the January, everybody was wishing everybody Happy New Year. Everybody, Gendocha with their own calendar. We accepted it. Our own is demonic. Our own is evil. We can't take it. Do we know where their own come from? Do we know the deity that is in control of it? Do we know the goddesses and God that is in control of it? We don't know. Everything about them is modernized, accepted by us. But our own is evil. Everything about us, no, don't go there. There's nothing like Igbo calendar. It's all gone. We are forgotten about it. Look at what you guys are doing to yourself. And you expect these people to recognize you. Expect these people to respect you. Like, you expect these people to value you? They don't. You're not going to be valued. Until you value yourself, then people will value you. If you don't know it. Until you start valuing yourself, value your culture, value your tradition. No matter which bad one it's, you get rid of it, and then because there are many good traditions that we indeed have, but we all condemn any one of them and say they are all evil. Our ancestors did that. Then we forget the Kendocha and the ancestors hammer, a lot. They told us that our own is evil. We accepted it. So where is that brother? Let me play it here. So that you guys can listen to him. I love him. I so much like him. I like him when he's preaching what he's preaching. So sometimes he preaches with anger, which is good because they have seen that our people that something is wrong with us. Really wrong. Where is that now? I need to get it so I can play it. Okay. If program lasts 1 hour, it's not good. So that our people that doesn't have data will not be able to watch, like, because there is no data. So did you guys you guys were not raptured today? Rapture did not happen even here in Ireland. We are not raptured though. We are still here. Rapture don't happen for outside though. Some of them will say rapture happen though. Rapture don't happen though. Hey God, why that? Why no rapture don't happen for outside today? Hey, we that is talking about I think because we are not gonna go. Are we not gonna go? I was making a phone with someone. I said, yeah, because it didn't happen in their place now, because they said we are going to go to hell now. Because we are talking about those those people that call themselves men of God. Where is that? Where is that guy? Where is that guy now? So we are still here. Oh, we not go anywhere. 8 don't pass now. No rapture not happen. Then I throw them out. That's that. Some of them that is telling you rapture will happen. Rapture will not happen. No, we there here. We still there. Hey, Jehovah have mercy. Ndị mmadụ, ndị Igbo, unu bụkwanụ ndị afro n'anya. I don't know how come we have become this way. So sad, cha, what we have become. So sad that we now appreciate lies. That we now when we see the truth, we condemn the person that said the truth, but we accepted the person that lies a lot. That is so bad though. I'm asking him and you this like this. I had people like this before. I mean that I can't find this thing. If I can't find it tomorrow, I might play it. But there's no point to play it today. Hey, God have mercy. All the way because na do meje by one nunu okay. Hey, Odumeje also not be pastor, that man should call himself an entertainer. He should call himself an entertainer, there's no point in coming out to call himself that's the problem. If you know you are not a pastor, don't give yourself that name, or a prophet. Don't. That is what he's good at, entertaining people. And I say that as is there in England, though, those people that we are even saying amen, all the city people say our people. They were when Odumeje was saying all those things he was saying. I will play that tomorrow. No, I don't want to talk about Odumeje today. Our people are just something else. I can't find that brother. Oh God, what did I do wrong? Where is it? Or should I leave it? So there's no point. I might, if I have time tomorrow, I can come out and play that. And play that our brother, because yeah, I have it here, but how many minutes is that? Yeah, I can't. Let me play it. Where is the beginning of it? Oh God, where is the beginning? Why is it not starting from the beginning? Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, Okay, let me play it. That is how they make us now. We can't even remember that today is Igbo Happy New Year. Igbo New Year. Okay, I'm there. I will play it now. Let me bring him here. Remove from source. Add this one. Facebook. I don't know sometimes why this thing is cracking, but I have learned how to do it, but still I don't know why it's cracking. I don't know. I'm playing direct from him. Why is it cracking? I don't know. If you can listen to it, please. If you can't, I don't want that noise, that cracking thing to happen again, because that it makes put people off when they are watching the program. They are not happy. So I don't know what to do with this, my cracking of a thing. Anybody that knows what I'm supposed to do, make gonna help me, because I don't know. Sometimes I don't know what to do. All this technology of a thing. I want you to be seeing his face. That's what one guy told me, that's what I'm supposed to do, but I've done it. Full screen. Continue watching where you browse Facebook. I don't know why I can't find him in his own direct. So I can play. They said if you share it on the, okay, maybe I think it might work now, because I'm on his platform. Oh yeah, okay. I hope it works now. Okay, let me play it. Now listen to him. I like him. I like him because he's saying the truth. Anyone that I know that is saying the truth, is I will watch them. I follow them. I follow them. Anyone that I know understand, no follow. Where do I go? Here. Where do I go? Here. Okay. Now we'll play it.
Certain handwriting are so ancient and stand the test of time in a generation, according to the weight of message embedded in those handwritings. Such is the quality of a letter written by King Leopold II of the Belgium in 1883 to the missionary colonialists. Anytime I read this letter, tears of heartbreak run through my eyes. I've made a video about this letter before, but I think it's the time for me to substantiate the weight of those messages again by simplifying them critically. And before I start, I would like to recite the letter for you, so that when I finish reciting the letter, I will begin to explain them in context, the way they preach to you gospel in the church. The letter began: Dear Reverend, fathers and compatriots, the task which is given was a very delicate one and requires much tact. You will go certainly to evangelize, but your evangelization must stood above all to inspire Belgium interest. Your principal task in our mission in the Congo is never to teach the niggers to know God. This they know already. They speak and submit to one Nzambi, one Nzakumba, and what else I don't know. They know that to kill, to steal, and to sleep with somebody's wife is evil. Have the courage to admit it. You are not going there to teach them what they know already. Your essential role is to facilitate the task of the administrators. For these things, you will keep watch on disinteresting our savages from the plenty richness that is beneath their ground, so that they don't get interested in it and dream of making you murderous enemies. Paragraph 2 begin to speak. It says, your knowledge of the scriptures will help you to find test orderings and encouraging your followers to love poverty. Like happier are the poor, for they shall inherit the kingdom of God. And it will be too difficult for a rich man to enter inside the kingdom of God. He says you must do everything within your power to detach from them all their mystic system and make them to disrespect those things that give them the power to affront us. I make reference to the mystic spiritual system, which they pretend not to want to abandon. You must do everything with your power to make it abolish.
See, you must do everything with your power to make everything about us abolish. We don't recognize our own. We always accept everything that belongs to a foreigners. That with our own is an evil one. We rejected it all. Our own New Year, we did not even recognize that there is an Igbo New Year calendar, that we have our own New Year. We don't even celebrate it. We don't even pray on that day. We don't even wish ourselves Happy Igbo New Year. No, we don't. But if it's the January on, we wish everybody Happy New Year. Do we know what we are doing to ourselves? No, we don't. When you talk, they said, no, we are now a Christian. So we abolish everything that belongs to us, everything that is good, everything that we as people, they're supposed to know us as we as people, we abolish. And we accepted everything that was given to us. Isn't it? So we accepted everything. But our own, we rejected. Tell them that their own is not right. Tell them their own is evil. Tell them their own is abomination. Tell them their own is demonic. Tell them their own is evil. So that is how we hate everything about us. That is how we don't care about us. That's how we don't know that we are umuchukwu. That's from the beginning. Before they came, we know God. We fear God. We love God. We appreciate God. We are told that we kids twins. That we did that. So for that, everything about us is evil. We have to wake up and tell ourselves the truth. I am done. I will play the remaining one tomorrow. I have my call that is very important, which I need to attend. Okay, then. Thank you so much for coming. And if you don't mind, please share this program. Share to others. Let them know the truth. Share the program. Share to every other people. Like and comment as well. Go ahead and do that. We have to emancipate ourselves. We have to tell ourselves the truth. We are blessed people. Ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo, ndị agọziri agọzi, ụmụ Chukwu okike. We know God from the beginning. Forget about what they said that they came and they told us about God. No, we are the one that told them about God. We are the one that told them who God is. Chukwu okike. And they now brought all their idolatry and brought all their idol worship, and we accepted and say whatever our own we are doing is evil, or whatever our people are doing is evil. This one we accepted. Other people idol, other people God and goddesses. Is this how Chukwukeke is not happy with us? We have to change our ways. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Please share. Hi, Siba Divan. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fine. Thank you for coming. So please, you don't mind. I have also my YouTube is there. I have YouTube and I have two which one? I have another one. What is that one called again? Never give up. And then this one, Ife. And this one, if you will go. Thank you, Maureen. How are you doing, my sister, my beautiful sister? How are you keeping? I hope all is well with you. Thank you. And Happy New Year to our Igbo New Year, our brothers, sisters. Happy New Year to you all. Love you. God bless you. Take care. Bye. Love you.